Hello everyone, good morning once again in Curiosity and Motivation channel. So once again another beautiful day in the lap of nature. I have come to brought you a wonderful things for you people. See the pond, which is many a times I have shown in my video, is actually source of my inspiration. And whenever I come over here at this pond, then it gives me immense pleasure inside my mind, and so it drives me, it motivates me to show the beauty of nature, to capture it, and to show among the people, so that people will enjoy. Those who are not waking up early in the morning are missing all these things. So today, on the bank of this holy pond, I will show you how the huge amount of pigeons are eating the food grain particles which have been thrown by the nearby locals, or they are also searching some minute and tiny creatures which is their food. So see, and you will find maximum number of pigeons are of gray color, but few whites are also in them. So I think they are from another version or diversity. See this chirping bird, how it is creating the sound, and how these pigeons are flying and enjoying the morning day. And as you are also seeing on the bank of this pond, some structures, some sculptures are there. So those are very wonderful, looking very good. Pigeons are also bathing. Few pigeons are bathing, you can see, and they are enjoying. So this is a small beach for them, and it is also giving me pleasure. It is also delighting me. So this is the morning with the nature, mother nature, which heals every pain, every sorrow, every misfortune. See these flying birds above the surface of the water, and actually they are thinking that it's their territory. So whenever they are flying from one place, then they again acquiring the another portion of their territory. So it's a very wonderful to watch these pigeons, the clever pigeons. In one of my video I have already shared the speciality these birds have. So we will not discuss too much in this video, just we will enjoy the early morning moment, the gift of nature which nature has created for human beings. But not all the human beings are aware of these things. Those who are aware are creating wonders. Those who wake up early in the morning are advanced in all their plannings and work. So yes, we have to learn a lot of things from nature. Now I am very close to this water body. So as you are seeing the green and the white colored this water body, and again these pigeons and see how they are bathing. So very wonderful moment. Lush greenery you are seeing due to this rain. So I think there must be some blessings of Almighty over here, that in this entire land of desert, Thar desert, we are seeing such kind of water bodies. And if at first sight somebody will come over here, then he will feel that this is not a holy land of Rajasthan, the land of warriors, the land of, you know, all the land of warriors, the land of powerful, strong kings and people who sacrifice their life for the sake of their kingdom, the land where people were truthful, the people were helping to others. See that one, a very wonderful, it is a small kind of island. So I have not seen that have been submerged into this pond, but people say that when the water will fall in a heavy quantity, rain will fall in a heavy quantity, then that will be, you know, submerged. So I think that will be a kind of measuring scale for the people. So it indicates a half submerged island indicates that rain is not as much as it was in the previous year, as reported by the people or locals. And one day in another video I have told you, over there on that plateau, temple of Lord Rama is there, and people used to come to worship him, to take the blessings of Lord Sri Rama. And see that majestic tree which is standing in between this pond. This is also creating a nice scene, and the sound of the waves which you will listen. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Mother Nature. This is how it has the tremendous power to heal any kind of sorrowness, any kind of sadness of anybody. I can't think that medicine will definitely cure, but when we come close to nature, it has the power to heal everything. So the people who are not coming close to the nature are missing these wonderful moments, missing these wonderful scenes of nature. See the flying pigeons. The moment I am coming close to them, they are flying from one territory and gaining their parcel in another territory, actually in another land of parcel of land. So it's a very wonderful moment to have with nature, to have with these small tiny creatures and the pigeons. So this will certainly give you pleasure also. So at this point of time, this is all for today. Again we will meet. So I will request you all to please like, subscribe my channel and give your comments, whatever kind of comments. I will definitely reply. I will improve, because sky has no limit. There may be a chance always to improve and to touch the bar. Okay, thank you very much everyone.